Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform here. We're talking about how to make money online, how to do dollar arbitrage, how to do investment, and at times we talk about how tech works. Yeah. So today, I want to show you a free way that can earn you 10 USDT or $10 every day. Every day, without doing any investment without doing any investment. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So if I find something that's making me money online, then I feel like I want to show you people because you too, you're my friends. Yeah. But I'm not forcing you to do it or to register on the platform. Yeah. So I want to show you how you can make money on this platform investing anything without investing anything. So I want to show you the strategy, the 2024 strategy that can earn you 10 or more USDT without investing anything. Say anything. Anything. Yeah, so no time to waste. Let me show you the way. Yeah. So when you register on this platform with my link, automatically you will getting 20 USDT for free to start your quantitative trading or mining USDT. Yeah. So in this case, I don't. I'm not here to show you that you have to invest. I'm here to show you the way. I will see that it's going up. I'm here to show you how you can make money on this platform without investing anything. Yeah. So this video is basically good for influencers who love influencers, or even if you're not influencer or you have WhatsApp or any social media platform, it's very good for you. Let me show you the trick. Yeah. So this how you make your money. Yeah. So have you seen this platform? This platform is a mining platform. Here you'll be mining USDT. You see that if I click on this thing, you see that it's ongoing. That it's mining USDT. Yeah. So you'll be seeing my today's earning. It will be going up, going up. It will be going up. Everything that is going up. Yeah. So let me show you how you can make money without investing anything. Yeah. So I said that it's good for people who love or who have WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, who love making videos or who have lots of friends. So this is how you do to make the money. Yeah. So you go to have you seen this thing? That's your friends. That's your friend. That's your team. So you will not go there. So let me show you. Let me minimize it for you. Go here, home. So have you seen home? We have recharge, we have withdraw. So the withdraw, it's like if you want to withdraw your money, you go to withdraw your money. Yeah, you withdraw your money over here. Yeah. So this how you make your money. First of all, we have agent corporation and invite friends. Let me click on the agent corporation. The agent corporation means that you can be an agent of the app and introduce the app to people for people to what to be on the app and you earn commission from it. But me, I'm not an agent corporation. I invite friends. So I click on this thing and copy my invite link. So send friends invitation, friends completion registration, and get rebate income. So first of all, this is how it is. If you copy the link, you will send it to your friends. And when your friend click on it and register on the platform, automatically you'll be getting income. It looks simple, right? Very simple. It's like affiliate marketing, introducing the platform to your friends, and when your friends register on the platform successfully, you will get a rebate income from it. That is a what? That is a commission from it. I hope you understand it. So this is how you do it. So let's say I copy the invite link and let me go to, let's say, WhatsApp. Let's say WhatsApp, and I can push it to, let's say, so that, let me say, I can click here and go to, let's say, this group, and I say, I'll paste it over here, and I'll be like, okay, I'll be like, please click on this link if you want to make money online. Then I will paste the link over there and make money online. Then something like this, boom. So when people see this and click on it and they register, I'll get commission from it. Very simple like that. It's that thing. So if you have Facebook, you can also do it. And if you like making videos, you can be like, oh, please, I have a new app. Please, I will leave the link in my comment section or in my bio. If you click on it and you register, you get this, you get free 20 USDT, blah blah. You see that thing? Then it will catch many people attention. So they, at the moment they join the platform and they register with your link and they deposit to start their their mining, you get commission from it. You see that it's going up, yeah, you get commission from it. It's simple as that. And this app has been there for more than 3 weeks. It has been there for more than 3 weeks. So it has been there more than 3 weeks. Yeah. So it's simple as that. So all you need is what? Just when you register with the link in my description, you go here and you go to invite friends and copy your link over there and you start sharing it or making videos about it. Yeah. But I also have a mentorship link in my description. So if you want to join my mentorship, you can also purchase it and be in my mentorship group as low as 600 Ghana cedis, and I'll show you everything that I know that's making me money online. I'll show you everything. Yeah. So this some simple way to make money online without any investment. Yeah, without investing anything. Just copy the link, share to your friends, or do videos about it. Let more people come on board, and when the more they are coming on board, you also getting money from it. As simple as that. I hope you enjoy my video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's keep the hustle moving. Let me mind. I beg, let me mind. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.